guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very exciting. I'm doing a morning routine. I haven't done a morning routine, you guys, on my channel. Can you believe that? I did a nighttime routine about 3 years ago when we had just gotten married. So let's do this. And I also want to thank Cove for sponsoring today's video. It is 10 a.m. I have no alarm, so we're just jumping right in. Listen, I am just not a morning person. I wish I was. I just really struggle waking up in the morning. And here I am just really thinking if I want to wake up or go to sleep, and I am going to sleep. Okay, girl, get up. I am gonna check my phone to see the time. I'll see if I have any messages. I don't really actually go on my social medias like as soon as I wake up, just because as soon as I wake up, I just gotta get up and use the restroom. That's like what I immediately do. So here I am staring off into space, sitting there for a hot minute on the edge of my bed, and then I'm ready to go to the restroom. And I actually changed into my black robe. This is my everyday robe you guys will always see me in. And I am here now in the restroom. I did not record myself using the restroom, obviously. And then right after that, I have to brush my teeth. I cannot stand a morning breath. I honestly don't understand how some people could just wake up and eat first, do their thing before they brush their teeth. I just feel like it's like a really big pet peeve of mine. I gotta brush my teeth. Girl, what is going on? I always gag. Oh, look at me cleaning the mirror. Every time I brush my teeth, it's like, oh, there I go again. You guys, if I'm not gagging, I ain't doing it right. So now it is time to wash my face. This is actually what really helps me wake up, girl, because my face already looks like a balloon. So I'm like, I need to deflate my face and I need to wake up. So I'm using the Clean and Clear Neutrogena face wash. I always use this and it just helps me, get rid of all those oils. I did put a little bit too much of it, like a lot, but the more squeaky clean, the better. Ta-da! I am all done. I'm wide awake and I'm ready to go back to bed. I'm just kidding. No, we actually just go back in the room, and I feel like this freaking video took me forever to film. So you're gonna notice my little clock. It literally says like a whole hour passed by. I promise you it doesn't take me an hour. It's just that filming this video, it just takes a lot more time. So if you're looking at the time, do not be confused. So I like to just go back on my phone. I'm telling y'all, this is like 5 minutes after I've done my little restroom routine. I come back and I'm just doing my thing, going on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, you name it. I just go on there for like about 5-10 minutes. 5-10 minutes will turn into an hour sometimes, if I'm gonna be honest. 10 hours later, we are ready to make the bed. We are both making the bed together. Realistically, sometimes I will do the bed, or there's days where he surprises me. I walk in and the bed's already done. But today we decided to make the bed together because there are times where we actually do it together. And yeah, enjoy us doing the bed. And finally, the bed is done. Now we're gonna clean our nightstands. Now, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I was actually sleeping on Brian's side. On the right side, you can see that's my nightstand with my bouquet and all. But yeah, I just started sleeping on his side, and we're just cleaning up the nightstands, picking up a little bit what we left from the night before. And now it's time to clean up the dresser. This dresser gets really dirty. There's always like makeup on it, so I'm just picking up, and I'm actually cringing at my decor. Like, girl, I don't know why I do the most. I didn't realize how much it was till right now. I'm looking at this like, girl, this is too much. It just looks too cluttered. But I'm just gonna clean up the counters, and I can't even clean it because there's just so much going on here. But I just turned on my little pumpkin, set the mood, and I actually do not use my diffuser anymore, y'all, because apparently the scents are bad for your pets. So I stopped using it. It's honestly there just like as a decor piece. If you guys know of any like good scents that I could use, let me know. So immediately after that, I like to open up the windows, let some sun in. It's actually one of like the first things I do in the morning. So now I'm going to, well, Brian is gonna light a candle for me just to set the mood. And this is a fall candle from Bath and Body Works. And I could not use these little mini lighters because right now my nails are really, really long and I could literally light my acrylics on fire. We just like to leave on the candle for about an hour just to like set the mood. But y'all know these candles are pretty strong, so you don't want to keep them on for too long. Immediately after that, I like to check my home security panel to see if there was any activity. So this right here is Cove, a really easy security system you could set up on your own with no professionals coming over. It is a 25-minute install time, you guys. It is really easy to set up on your own. Like I said, it is 24/7 nationwide professional monitoring and it is no contract. You can cancel at any time, you guys. I'm just going on my phone to check the Cove app to see if there's any activity, and as well, it will warn you.
Window 2. Door 1.
There is different products of choice to choose from, like the alarm panel, door sensor, motion detector, key remote, etc. And it's starting at $15 depending on the plan you select. Make sure you guys use code COVE40 now for 40% off. Click the link in the description box to check out Cove. Thanks, Cove, for sponsoring today's video. After I've checked my security system, it is time to shower. Let me know if you're a morning or a night shower person. I honestly just go back and forth. Today I'm showering in the morning and I'm actually not gonna wash my hair. I'm trying not to wash my hair every single day. So I'm gonna put this little cheetah thing I have. I'm not really sure what these are actually called. And ta-da! I'm ready to shower. Peace out, y'all. For some reason, y'all are gonna see me with different robes. I had a pink robe after I showered, then I went back into the black robe, and now I'm here in my desk. But while I do that, Brian is gonna make my morning coffee. So he likes to make my coffee here and there. Sometimes I'll make it, but realistically, like, he will make it for me. He makes it really fast, really easy. Not sure what he does, to be honest. It's really simple, but I just really like the way he makes my coffee. But like I said, he doesn't always make it. You know, when he's being generous, he will, because I don't want y'all thinking Brian does like every single thing for me. But yes, he does like to make me coffee, so rock it. Of course, he chose out this mug. I think this mug is from Walmart, by the way, in case you guys are wondering. So now I am going to start my skincare routine. I have my skincare fridge here in the office because it's just a lot easier for me than going to my beauty room. So I'm just going to go through and, ooh, what a surprise. We got some coffee. I am so excited that he made me coffee. And let's do a little taste test and see if I like it. Yes, it's good. Woo! And here I am letting you guys know it's a bop. All right, let's start this skincare routine. Honestly, I'm gonna be straight up. I kind of go with different products. Like, I literally change it up every single day. So I'm just going in with a serum and just hydrating the face because my face has been feeling really dry recently. So this just really hydrates it. And you guys, having a skincare fridge, oh my God, it's life-changing. I'm obsessed. Every product that I'm putting on my face is super, super cold. And just having cold products just in general helps depuff the face and all of that. And it just helps me wake up. I actually want to do a skincare routine. Let me know if that's something you guys want to see. That way I can go more into detail, because I feel like right here, I'm kind of just doing it, you know, showing y'all here and there. But if you guys want like an in-depth skincare routine, let me know. Right now, my face has been breaking out because of the masks. I feel like everyone's going through this. So my face is not really at its best right now. I am breaking out every other freaking day, you guys. But here I am just massaging my face. I like to really do this. I don't know if it helps, but it just feels really good, especially because these products, like I said, are really, really cold. So here I am just going off, and it does not do miracles. It is not going to snatch your face, but it just feels really, really good. And it's just a little pampering moment. I actually didn't even notice how red it left my face till now. I'm like, wait, is that even normal? But you guys, now I went onto the kitchen and I found some leftover wings from last night. I don't eat wings every morning. Obviously, these were leftover. Like I said, this is a morning, like realistic routine. So I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it. I had some wings from last night, just a few, and I'm actually editing right now while I eat my leftover wings, and Brian's in the back eating some leftover pizza. So now that I did my skincare and ate some wings, I am heading to the living room. This is like a little routine that we do actually every morning just to catch up with a family. If you are pretty new to my channel, I do live with my family. So we like to just catch up, see how everyone slept the night before, and you know, just chit chat, chismear. You know the deal. All right, enough chatting. It is time to get back to work. So right here, I am working on a vlog because I noticed I have gotten behind on my vlogs. So I am editing, and at this moment, Brian would be like taking care of orders, etc., doing his own thing, but he's actually helping me record for this video. So in case you guys are wondering what Brian's doing, he's behind the camera. But we basically both have our own routines. I would like to actually do a video where we both go in depth with what we both do, but today's video is just focused on me. So I'm gonna close this off because we really didn't have like actual breakfast. It is time to really eat. So here I am again with my other robe. I don't understand why I changed a million times in this video, but I am serving myself some food. I'm gonna put it in the microwave and I'm gonna calentar some tortillas. The perks of living with your whole family, y'all, everyone is always cooking. So whether it's me, my mom, my sister, so there's always some kind of food made. So breakfast was already served, ready to go. I could already see the comments, people talking that I don't cook, y'all. I'm just being realistic. This is what it's like living with your family. Final step is getting ready. I'm actually going to be doing a TikTok. You guys are getting a little behind the scenes right here. So that pretty much completes my morning routine, you guys. I am now ready and pretty much know where to go. I really hope you guys enjoyed my morning routine. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.